Kids, arts, crafts, science, and more. We're going to make Play-Doh. That we will need flour, salt, 4 bowls, oil, food coloring, and 5 measuring cups. For that, we will need 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of colorful water. We need 1.5 cup and put salt into the flour. So guys, I'm going to put all the salt, all of them in the flour. Now mixing time. Next, we put 1/4 cup of colorful water into all of these bowls. Green, red, blue, and yellow. But now we put 1/2 tablespoon of oil. We put oil in all of these colorful bowls. Now we put 1 cup of the mixture in all of these bowls. Agitate, agitate, agitate. Now get a cutting board or anything. Have to knead it well. Too hard, just put more liquid. Ask your grown-ups to help you make these colorful Play-Dohs. Now we got yellow, pink. Whoa, pink. This is blue. Make your own Play-Doh and bye, kids.